People who are seated with Christ don't do that. People who are sitting with Christ, they speak like Christ. Do you know that when Christ, the miracle of fish and bread, he said, I know that you hear me. Imagine such a prayer. You have not yet come to a seated position. A seated position, are we together? I know you hear. I know you hear. I know you hear. That's a seated position. I will tell you, I will tell the Lord, these people I don't want to teach anymore. Give me other people that I'm going to teach. Give me others that I'm going to teach. Are we together, Basolani? When the Bible says, Wauka, stop saying Wangutwa na. I mean, Basolani, what are we learning? We are seated with Christ in power. Can we do 15 years or so? Thank you. 15 years or so. Oh, it's not give me.